Hi and welcome to Cheeky Cooking's KFC chicken cooked in the air fryer. The ingredients are in the recipe box below, so let's get started. The first thing that we've got here to a cup of plain flour is some onion flakes, some sage, a teaspoon of onion flakes, half a teaspoon of sage, half a teaspoon of cracked pepper, half a teaspoon of celery salt, quarter of a teaspoon of chilli powder, or you could use cayenne powder, 1 teaspoon of vegetable salt, 1.5 teaspoons of ground garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. You could use smoky paprika if you like. We've got 8 chicken legs and we're going to be dipping them in buttermilk. The reason I've got it in this container here is because we're going to double dip them, so they'll have twice the coating, which will give it a lovely flavour all the way through the chicken. No need to cook the chicken first. We will be cooking it for quite a while in the Acyifry. I have removed the paddle from that, so we just mix this all around and we're going to roll our chicken leg straight off into the flour and press it quite well and put it to one side and continue with the remaining 7. Now we get our once dusted legs and we roll them in our buttermilk. Just roll it over until it's well coated, then pop it into our flour, give it a bit of a shake around, cover it with the flour, of course, and then we're going to double dip it. So that's already stuck on there once. Back into our buttermilk and back into our flour. Back into our buttermilk, roll it over, get it well coated, and back into our flour. And continue with the rest. And this is what you should have. Very blobby fingers, but very well coated chicken. Okay, and to put that to one side. Now the Acyifry is only going to hold 5 of these legs because they're just massive. So these 3 can just be put into the fridge for a little while. I've made enough mess here to keep a couple of full-time cleaners in the job for about 2 weeks, by the way. Okay, in here we have got our 5 legs. We're going to put it on for 20 minutes and we're going to turn it occasionally. It's going to brown significantly over here for the simple reason that I don't have the paddle in. You can't put the paddle in for this dish because if you do, it's going to knock all the seasoned flour off. So that's going to defeat the purpose. So in she goes, 20 minutes, and we're going to check it and turn it at 10-minute intervals. Okay, 10 minutes in and we're going to turn it over and rotate it. So the ones closest to the back that's getting the most heat are coming to the front. So just tip them over like so and bring these guys to the back. We'll keep going for another 10 minutes and we'll check them then. Okay, after 10 minutes again, we just turn them around again and make sure they're getting a nice even amount of cooking. They're really quite crispy. Then it smells absolutely divine. It's really, really delicious smelling. Okay, another 10 minutes. Okay, after another 10 minutes, I'm not convinced that it's cooked, so we're going to turn it over one more time and give it another 10 minutes. And that way we'll make absolutely certain that it is cooked. It smells fantastic. The coating has gone quite crispy. A couple of little dry patches there. I'm not too worried about that. If you're worried about it, give it a bit of spray with some cooking oil. And we're just going to turn it over again and make sure every surface gets a nice crunchy top on it. Another 10 minutes. Okay, only after another 5 minutes, this is what you should have. Have a listen. Lovely, crispy, smells amazing. I've already poked a fork into it and no blood running out. It's all clear juices. And look how gorgeous and moist that is. Piping hot. Serve it with a simple salad or your favourite fries. We've got some garlic aioli here that'll enhance the flavour of the coating. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheeky Cooking's KFC Style Chicken legs cooked in the air fryer. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheeky Cooking channel and don't forget to please subscribe. And do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos. And don't forget, sharing is caring. Tell your friends. Thanks for watching. So full of flavour, so tender, so moist and juicy. Yummo.